What does auto insurance actually cover?
Auto insurance is designed to protect you, your vehicle, and others in case of accidents, theft, or other covered events. Understanding what's included in a typical policy helps you know when you're protected and when you're not. Let's answer some common questions about the key coverages found in most auto insurance plans.
Does auto insurance always cover damage to my car?
Not always. What's covered depends on your policy type. Collision coverage pays for damage to your car from crashes, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage handles non-collision events like theft, fire, vandalism, or weather damage. If you only have liability insurance, your car's repairs after an accident usually aren't covered.
Who is protected by liability insurance?
Liability insurance helps pay for injuries or damage you cause to others in an accident. It doesn't cover your own injuries or car repairs. Most states require at least some liability coverage. This helps protect your finances if you're responsible for someone else's property damage or medical expenses.
What about injuries to me or my passengers?
Personal Injury Protection, PIP, or medical payments coverage pays for medical costs if you or your passengers are hurt in an accident, no matter who is at fault. Not all states require these coverages, but they can provide peace of mind by covering hospital bills, lost wages, and more after a crash.
Are there extras or add-ons I should know about?
Auto insurance policies can include extra features such as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, or uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist protection helps if you're hit by a driver without insurance. These add-ons offer more security, but increase your premium. Always check your policy so you know exactly what's covered.
How can I choose the right coverage?
Choosing the right coverage depends on your state's requirements, your budget, and how much protection you need. Review your policy carefully. Consider what you can afford to pay out of pocket and compare options from different insurance providers. Asking questions ensures your coverage fits your needs and offers true peace of mind on the road.